Good morning, everyone. Well, we are trying to warm up in southern Wisconsin, but tomorrow morning, another cold front, so we're going to be cooling back down. And yes, more snow expected as well. But today, completely dry, just partly cloudy skies. And I think we're going to be averaging the mid 40s across the area, some reaching the upper 40s, some getting stuck in the low 40s. That's most likely in the northwestern part of the area, but I think mid 40s most common. Just a touch below normal for this time of year. Normal high temperatures, we should be averaging the upper 40s, so just a little bit below normal, but very reasonable for this time of year. Do have to mention, though, breezy this afternoon, gusts around 20 miles per hour, so a bit of a wind chill factor. Got to take about 5 degrees off these temperatures, and that's what it's actually going to be feeling like. Now, even the evening hours look dry tonight. The earliest, I think some isolated snow showers could start to return to the northwestern part of the area. It's about 2 a.m. tonight. But let's jump ahead to 5 a.m. and notice how quite a bit more showing up. Now we're talking about scattered snow showers as the cold front moves in. And it is still going to be breezy along this front, although I expect the strongest winds to actually be behind the cold front. There'll be a brief period where it actually gets windy right behind the cold front. So 5 a.m., scattered snow showers. I don't think any heavy snow, but a lot of light to moderate snow coming down. So now let's take a look at 8 a.m., the morning commute. Now, it looks like we'll already be past the peak of it in the northwestern half of the area. Even Madison, probably just isolated snow showers as it stands now. But I do need to mention, it looks like a good chance for some light to moderate snow in the southeastern half of the area. So Janesville, Lake Geneva, Kenosha, Racine, Milwaukee. Do have to say, though, again, we're not expecting any heavy snow. When there's just some light to moderate snow coming down, you know how it goes. Morning commute can be slowed down, so not a bad idea tomorrow morning, especially if you're in the southeastern half of the area, to give yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work or school. And as I mentioned, along the front itself, just breezy, but behind it, windy. Gusts around 30 miles per hour, and look how temperatures coming down behind the front, though I do think we'll see temperatures rise some in the afternoon because the clouds will be breaking up, and I do think the snow chance already over with by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So definitely looks like early morning hours and probably already dry by 10 a.m. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, because of the scattered nature of these snow showers, some just seeing a dusting. That said, others could see as much as a half an inch. But I think what's going to be most common, 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 inch. I do think that will be pretty common. Now, 10 a.m. still windy, even though the snow chance coming to an end, but the winds will be decreasing. It's just going to take a while. I do have to say, we'll probably hit our high temperatures tomorrow around 4 o'clock, and it's still going to be breezy, gusts around 20 miles per hour. Probably not until sunset that we see the breezy conditions go away. And look at high temperatures tomorrow, where we want to be. It looks like most of us in the mid 30s, but it's possible in a couple spots, only topping out in the low 30s. And because it's still going to be breezy at 4 o'clock when we're hitting our high temperatures, look what it's actually going to be feeling like. Maybe a couple spots wind chills in the low 30s. I think for most of us, it's going to be feeling like the mid to upper 20s. Definitely not feeling like spring.